Rise up on the building. Come in night to send the lion, yeah. Oh,
We come to tell you once again. Watch it.
What she came is a unique magic potion. Yeah. Literally what it to taste. No, I'll be lost in a piece of emotion. Cause after time, your system become belly down. Why do you feel so nice? Taking over my eyes. Taking over me conscience lately. Yeah. My body's out of control. We look for something to hold. I need you closer to me, baby. Come on, feel me, come rock me, rock me, lady, slowly. For you know what I'm talking about, yeah. Come rock me, lady, slowly. You know what I'm talking about, yeah.
Fully aware that you blow my mind away. You better lay low. You know me can't get the trouble cause me only got one chance tonight. Ooh, call me say so. Every time I take a sip on your love, me can't see. Right before the night getting started, me can't breathe. You take away me worries, why me feel irate, but enough feel fun. Alright then, remind myself that it's a blessing of today. Oh Lord, and it's your loving that I need, and I'm gonna get it my way. Yeah. Alright,
Come rock me, lady, slowly. You know what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Yes, you know what I'm talking about. Oh Lord, come on, rocky, we gon' rock it. Come on, rocky, we gon' rock tonight. Come on, rocky, we gon' rock it. Come on, rocky, we gon' rock it tonight.
Some okay. Yep, fucking falls and stuff.
Feel the vibration, yes.
Okay, then. Yep. Wake up.
She come fi take up on me time. She come fi rock me.
Holy shit. My part.
You know what I'm talking about.
So, boys.
Rock me, lady, slowly. Yes, you know what I'm talking about.
Son, woo! No, thank you.
Oh, you can't.